Creating a balanced meal plan doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about including the right mix of foods to give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Let's break it down into simple steps. First, let's talk about the key components of a balanced meal. There are 5 essential groups you need to include. Protein. This helps to build and repair tissues in your body. You can choose from lean meats like chicken or turkey, plant-based options like beans or tofu, or fish like salmon. Carbohydrates. These give you the energy you need throughout the day. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, oats, or quinoa instead of refined grains. Healthy fats. Fats aren't the enemy. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, support your heart and brain health. Fruits and vegetables. These are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and veggies for maximum nutrition. Hydration. Don't forget to drink water. Staying hydrated is key to good health and helps with digestion. Now that you know what to include, let's look at how to portion your plate. Here's a simple way to do it. Half your plate should be fruits and vegetables. This adds fiber and essential nutrients. A quarter of your plate should be lean protein. This keeps you full and satisfied. A quarter of your plate should be whole grains or starchy vegetables for energy. Add a small portion of healthy fats, like a handful of nuts or a drizzle of olive oil. This method makes it easy to visualize a balanced meal every time you eat. The next step is to plan your meals ahead of time. Start by making a grocery list. Focus on fresh, whole foods and avoid highly processed items. Having a list helps you stay on track and saves time at the store. Consider meal prepping on weekends. You can cook a batch of grains, roast some veggies, and grill your protein. Store them in separate containers so you can mix and match throughout the week. This not only saves time, but also helps you make healthier choices when you're busy. Let's look at some meal examples. Breakfast. Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds for protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Lunch. A quinoa salad with grilled chicken, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a vinaigrette dressing. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and a side of brown rice. These meals are balanced, delicious, and easy to prepare. Finally, remember that consistency is key. It's okay to have treats now and then, but try to stick to your balanced meal plan as much as possible. Your body will thank you, and you'll start to see positive changes in your health. That's it. Now you have the tools to create a balanced meal plan that works for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to comment below if you have any meal planning tips or if you're going to try this out. We'd love to hear from you.